now we have this meron o wala for lesson 11. The original word for meron is mayroon. So now, okay, you know Filipinos, they love to shorten words even for spelling and for speaking. So instead of saying mayroon, we say meron. Now, when you use the word mayroon, that's too formal. Especially those who are living in the Tagalog region or those foreigners, they say mayroon, but we are using meron. So when you say meron, there is something in there. This is an existential word. Meron, there is something in there, and wala, nothing in there. So meron ka ba? When you say meron ka ba, it refers to something like do you have something? And then another meaning of this, when someone will ask you, or a lady or a woman, meron ka ba? It refers that it refers to her menstruation. So you say meron ka ba? Okay. So when you say meron ka ba, you have to be specific. Meron ka bang pera? Do you have money? Meron ka ba appointment? Meron ka ba friend? Meron ka ba flight? So you have to be specific. Another is the sentence like, merong masipag na tao doon. So, you notice we have this connector G, okay, and the adjective, and the tao here is person, doon is there. So, you say, merong masipag na tao doon. So, first word in the sentence, we have meron here, then the adjective, and then the rest of the sentence. Merong masipag na tao doon. So, you say, merong masipag na tao doon. Another, merong malamig na soft drink sa ref. Okay, so you notice the first word in the sentence is meron. We have the connector and the adjective. Merong malamig na soft drink sa ref. It refers to refrigerator. Here in the Philippines, we say ref when we mean fridge. We have this word malamig, which means cold. Another, we have this merong tao sa labas. Okay, when you say tao, refers to person. But in this, of course, in English, you don't say there is a person outside. You say someone, right? So we say, sa Tagalog, okay, we say merong tao sa labas. Labas is outside. Sa labas. Labas is a location, okay? So we use the word sa before the word labas. You say sa mall, sa bahay, sa restaurant, sa labas. So, you say, merong tao sa labas. Okay. Another, we have here, merong masarap na kainan diyan. So, you notice the sentence pattern, the arrangement of words. So, we have here meron plus the connector and the adjective and then the word na and kainan diyan. So, if you already learn Tagalog words, okay, you know that kain means to eat. Kain. But when you say kainan, we add an at the end of the verb, kainan. It refers to the place where you eat. It could be a restaurant, a place, street food, kainan. Okay. Another, meron kayang mahinhin na dalaga doon. So here we still use the word kaya when we mean, I wonder if there is. Meron kaya, okay, you notice here we inserted the kaya particle to the word meron. Okay, the particle is the second word in this sentence. And we have here mahinhin refers to the person or the lady who is very slow or conservative. So when you say meron kayang mahinhin na dalaga doon, so you notice we have another word na and then the noun. So we say meron kayang mahinhin na dalaga doon. The word here, meron, and then the expression or particle kaya, we have here now the connector and the adjective. So, you notice the adjective is here, and after meron, we have the particle kaya. Meron kayang mahinhin na dalaga doon. Okay, before, when we say mahinhin, this refers to the lady, okay, or the Filipina lady reflects to the Filipina lady, especially those who are living in the provinces. Nowadays, you can only see a very few of the Filipina, okay, who has this characteristic or attitude like mahinhin. But when you say mahinhin, a lady who is conservative, who doesn't want nightlife, very traditional. Okay, so next we have this. Wala is the opposite of meron. There is nothing in there. Walang masipag na asawa ngayon. So, after the word wala, so we have this connector, wala, ng, walang masipag adjective na, and we have this word again na before the object in the sentence. So, you say, walang masipag na asawa ngayon. Ngayon, now, today. So, it is a statement that means you cannot find a hardworking spouse today. So, in Filipino, when you say asawa, it refers to spouse. But when you want to be specific like wife or husband, so you can add like asawa na babae for wife, asawa na lalaki for husband. So, you say, so when we say walang masipag na asawa ngayon, okay, so masipag here means hardworking. So, merong magandang restaurant dito. So, you have here again meron and the ng, maganda. So, you notice we have two connectors here now. Merong magandang restaurant dito. So, when you say dito, that means here. So, merong bisita sa bahay. Now, we don't have adjective here. We have noun. So, we say merong bisita sa bahay. You can also say merong magandang bisita sa bahay. So, you can also say that. But in this sentence, we simply have this word meron, connector, and the object in the sentence. Sa, you notice sa because bahay is a location or place. So, you say merong bisita sa bahay. So, they go together, this phrase. Now, we have walang tahimik na lugar sa Manila. Walang tahimik na lugar sa Manila. Lugar is place. So, you notice we have sa again plus the place Manila. So, you say walang tahimik. When you say tahimik, quiet, serene, okay, it's a hush place. Another, so when you say wala na, that means no more. Do you have visitors? Do you still have visitors at home? Wala na, no more. Wala pa, when you say wala pa, not yet. So, that's another expression. And we have here, before that, okay, we have this walang matigas na yellow, there is no hard rice. That's the, we call that literal translation. So it means it is not yet ice, because probably it's still just the cold water. So you say walang matigas. So you say matigas when you mean hard. Okay, something that is hard or sturdy, you use the word matigas. So, walang mabait na bata dito. There is no well-behaved child here. So, wala. Walang mabait na bata dito. So, dito here, doon over there, diyan is just there. For example, saan ka ngayon? Dito, here. Dito ako, I'm here. Saan ang palengke or market? You say, doon, over there. Saan ang ladies' accessories? There. Diyan. Diyan po. Okay.